Are you tired of struggling to find the right voice for your content? Introducing ElevenLabs.AI, the AI-powered platform that allows you to convert text to high-quality voiceovers in seconds.
Dev Dash on the mic, here to bring the heat. Gaming, animation, and I can't be beat. K's our master, he's the king of the blade. Join us on this journey, it's a wild arcade.
With ElevenLabs.AI, you can easily create professional-sounding voiceovers for your videos, podcasts, or any other content you create. Here's how it works. With ElevenLabs.AI, you can choose from a variety of different voices, including male and female voices in a range of different accents. This means you can tailor your voiceover to your target audience, making it more engaging and personalized.
If you do what you've always done, you'll get what you've always gotten.
Not what we have, but what we enjoy constitutes our abundance.
It is the mark of an educated mind to be able to entertain a thought without.
You cannot find yourself by going into the past. You can find yourself by coming into the present.
You cannot find yourself by going into the past. You can find yourself by coming into the present.
Simply type in your text, select the voice you want, and hit the Generate button. And just like that, your text is converted into a high-quality voiceover.
Hello, nice to meet you.
And because ElevenLabs.AI offers a seamless integration with other platforms, you can easily export your voiceover just by clicking this download button and use it in your videos, podcasts, or any other content you create like I did for this video. So whether you're a content creator, marketer, or just someone looking to add a high-quality voiceover to your project, ElevenLabs.AI is the perfect solution for you. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or want to learn more about ElevenLabs.AI, please comment down below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more great content. We'll see you next time.